Have you ever wondered how 3D printing works and what it can be used for? With the rapid advancement of technology, 3D printing has become increasingly popular in various industries. From creating prototypes to producing finished products, 3D printing has revolutionized the way we manufacture objects. In this video, we will explore the main uses of 3D printing and how it has impacted industries such as healthcare, automotive, and architecture. Join us as we delve into the world of 3D printing and discover its endless possibilities. Number 1. Use of 3D printing in education. It's amazing how 3D printers have found their way into the classrooms these days. They've truly revolutionized the way students can create prototypes without spending a fortune on specialized equipment. It's fantastic to see kids getting hands-on experience as they bring their own designs to life with these printers. And the magic doesn't stop there. 3D printing bridges the gap between the digital and physical worlds, turning virtual creations into tangible objects. Nowadays, it's no surprise to find a 3D printer at a school or even a public library. Universities even offer students access to these machines for assignments and research purposes. Companies like MakerBot go the extra mile, offering professional development opportunities and certification courses for both educators and students. What's more, 3D printing is transforming science, technology, engineering, and math education. It enables rapid, low-cost prototyping and allows the fabrication of affordable, high-quality scientific equipment using open hardware designs. Students can explore a world of possibilities in design, engineering, and architecture through this technology. Imagine the excitement of examining three-dimensional replicas of museum objects like fossils and historical artifacts without the fear of damaging the priceless originals, or viewing topographical maps from a completely new perspective. It's simply mind-blowing. Graphic design students can now easily construct intricate models and mechanisms, while science students can study biological specimens and human organ cross-sections. Even chemistry students can benefit, as they create molecular and chemical compound models in 3D. The sky's the limit with 3D printing in education. 2. Use of 3D printing in manufacturing and prototyping. 3D printing has come a long way since its inception, and it's fascinating how it has revolutionized the world of manufacturing and prototyping. In the past, creating a single mold for a conventional injected molded prototype could take weeks and cost a fortune. That's hardly ideal for making iterative improvements to a design, right? But with 3D printing technology, you can now whip up a prototype in just a few hours instead of weeks or months. Take the automotive and aerospace industries, for example. They've been quick to recognize and capitalize on the benefits of 3D printing. Of course, for large-scale production runs, traditional factory methods still have the upper hand. However, 3D printing, or additive manufacturing as it's known in the industry, is perfect for situations where a product won't be mass-produced, as it allows for cost-effective production in smaller volumes or on a case-by-case basis. Thanks to advancements in rapid prototyping or RP technology, we now have materials and processes like selective laser sintering, or SLS, and direct metal laser sintering, DMLS, that can be used to create the final product, not just a prototype. This process is called rapid manufacturing. And guess what? With the rise of cloud computing, companies are now offering cloud-based additive manufacturing services. This means you can create parts and objects remotely without having to invest in a 3D printer yourself. How cool is that? This technology also enables mass customization services, allowing you to design your own unique products like phone cases and have them 3D printed in a one-of-a-kind version. And let's not forget agile tooling, modularly designed tooling that facilitates rapid prototyping and caters to tooling and fixture needs in various manufacturing techniques like hydroforming, stamping, and injection molding. So what do you think? Isn't it incredible how 3D printing has transformed the world of manufacturing and prototyping? What innovations are you most excited about? Number 3. Miracles in medicine. 3D printing's impact. Have you ever wondered about the incredible ways 3D printing is transforming the field of medicine? In recent years, we've seen numerous medical applications of 3D printing, ranging from bioprinting, where cells and growth factors are combined to create tissue-like structures resembling their natural counterparts, to the production of prosthetics and other medical equipment. One of the most inspiring examples is how 3D printing has revolutionized the world of prosthetics. Traditionally, creating customized prosthetics was a lengthy and expensive process. But with 3D printing, prosthetics can now be designed and produced using precise instruments. This is a game changer, especially for kids who used to have to wait until they stopped growing to get a prosthetic. Now they can receive a new one every few months. And in developing countries where traditional prosthetics are often scarce, 3D printed alternatives provide a much-needed solution. Medical 3D printing technology also allows for the creation of metal orthopedic implants. These implants, with their porous surfaces, readily integrate with a patient's natural bones, allowing the bone to grow into the implant. There have been some amazing success stories, like a patient receiving a titanium pelvic implant, or another patient getting a titanium lower jaw. In one astonishing case, a patient had their face reconstructed with 3D components after suffering severe facial injuries in a motorcycle accident. Furthermore, advances in bioprinting now enable the creation of 3D printed artificial organs, offering hope to patients suffering from organ failure, their families, and the healthcare system as a whole. 3D printed tissues have also been developed for pharmaceutical testing, helping researchers better understand the side effects of medications and verify proper dosages. Did you know that binder jetting, a type of 3D printing, can even be used to create pills? This method results in highly porous pills that can contain large dosages, dissolve quickly, and are easily swallowed, ideal for treating conditions like epilepsy. So what do you think about these incredible medical applications of 3D printing? Which of these innovations inspires you the most? Number 4. Revolutionizing construction. 3D printing at work. Can you imagine entire buildings or bridges being 3D printed? It may sound like something from a sci-fi movie, but 3D printing technology is already making waves in the construction industry. Various 3D printing applications such as powder bonding, polymer bond, reactive bond, sintering, additive welding, and extrusion, concrete cement, wax, foam, and polymers are being utilized in construction. This groundbreaking technology allows projects to be completed more quickly, affordably, and with higher accuracy. What's more, it reduces waste and labor costs. Take, for example, the first 3D printed apartment building completed in Yaroslavl, Russia in 2017. The building consisted of 600 printed wall parts which were constructed in a shop and assembled on site, covering a total of 3,213 square feet. This innovative project included design, construction, permission, registration, and the connection of all engineering systems. And here's the best part. A real family now calls this building their home. It's not just a showpiece. Researchers have been exploring the use of 3D printing technology to create concrete for constructing buildings and other structures since the 1990s. Massive 3D printers, optimized for producing concrete, can print on-site foundations and walls as well as modular concrete components for construction projects. In 2016, the world witnessed the construction of its first ever 3D printed footbridge in Madrid, Spain. Measuring 39 feet in length and 5.7 feet in width, this micro-reinforced concrete bridge showcased the incredible potential of parametric and computational design in optimizing material distribution and enhancing structural performance. This milestone marked the first public use of 3D printing technology in civil engineering, setting the stage for a new era in the global construction industry. 3D printing is also used to create architectural scale models, allowing for faster production and increased complexity. Looking even further into the future, researchers are considering 3D printing as a potential technology for constructing extraterrestrial habitats on the Moon or Mars. By using raw lunar materials, only 10% of the materials for these habitats would need to be shipped from Earth. So what are your thoughts on the amazing impact of 3D printing in the construction industry? Can you envision a future where entire cities are built using this technology? And number 5, unleashing creativity, 3D printing in art and jewelry. Have you ever considered the role of 3D printing in the mesmerizing world of art and jewelry? This innovative technology has opened up a whole new realm of possibilities for artists and jewelers alike. The adaptability of 3D printers has enabled the jewelry industry to venture into uncharted creative territories. By using materials such as PLA, polyactic acid filament, gold, or platinum, 3D printing allows for the creation of unique or custom jewelry pieces at a fraction of the traditional cost. The rise of 3D printing has inspired artistic pursuits around the world. Metal 3D printing in particular has empowered artists to craft intricately detailed masterpieces. Banksy, the enigmatic British street artist, is just one example of a creator who has brought his 2D works to life using power-binding 3D printing. Dutch artist Oliver van Herp uses 3D printing to create stunning ceramic vases, while fellow Dutch artist Danny van Ryswyk creates eerie sculptures reminiscent of Tim Burton's cinematic creatures. Computer artist Gilles Cesaro even makes the inaudible visible by turning sound waves into three-dimensional representations of human speech. The Prado Museum recently held an exhibition featuring 3D rendered works by renowned painters, with the aim of offering a tactile experience of otherwise inaccessible art for visually impaired visitors. These examples only scratch the surface of the countless ways 3D printing technologies are impacting our world today, spanning the realms of education, medicine, industry, and the arts. What do you think about the fascinating intersection of 3D printing, art, and jewelry? How do you envision this technology further revolutionizing creative expression in the future? Let us know in the comment box below. Thanks for watching.